In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal button on Squarespace. If you want to give your customers an additional payment option at checkout, connecting PayPal in Squarespace is a quick and simple way to do it. Once it's set up correctly, Squarespace will automatically display the PayPal button during checkout, which can help make the buying process easier for your customers. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. When you're inside your site dashboard, look to the bottom left-hand corner and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find your main settings menu, and it's the place you'll go for most store and payment-related options. After opening the settings area, go to Selling and then select Payments. This section controls how your store accepts money, so this is where you can connect available payment providers for your website. Once you're inside the Payments section, look for the PayPal option. If PayPal is supported for your country or the currency you're using in your store, you'll see it listed here as an available payment method. If you don't see it, that usually means it isn't currently available based on your store setup, so it's worth double-checking your country and currency settings before moving on. If the option is available, click Connect next to PayPal. Squarespace will then guide you to the PayPal login and authorization screen. At this point, sign into your PayPal account and follow the prompts to confirm the connection. This step is important because it securely links your PayPal account to your Squarespace store, so payments can be processed properly. After you approve the connection, Squarespace will return you to the payment settings, and once everything has connected successfully, the PayPal button will be added automatically to your checkout page. That means customers who prefer to pay with PayPal will now see it as an option when they're completing their purchase. And that's really all there is to it. It's a very fast setup, and once connected, Squarespace handles the checkout display for you automatically. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to test your checkout experience so you can confirm the PayPal option appears correctly and everything is working as expected. That's how to add a PayPal button on Squarespace.